How does a trained ear perceive a global sound given by the orchestra and somehow untangle the notes given by two or multiple instruments? Individuals have a primitive notion of the simultaneity of perception. This would be a first stage toward objective reality. A melody to which we listen with our eyes closed comes close to coinciding with this time, which is the very fluidity of our inner life. The conception of something happening was always that of a four-dimensional continuum, but the recognition of this was obscured by the absolute character of the pre-relativity time. How do we pass from this inner time to the time of things? We perceive the physical world to be inside and outside us simultaneously. Upon giving up the hypothesis of the absolute character of time, particularly that of simultaneity, the four-dimensionality of the time-space concept was immediately recognized. The universe seems to us to form a single whole. Thus is born the idea of a duration of the universe, that is to say, of a consciousness that is the link among all individual consciousnesses. It is neither the point in space nor the instant in time at which something happens that has physical reality, but only the event itself. Such a consciousness would grasp in a single, instantaneous perception multiple events occurring at different points in space. There is no absolute relation in space, and there is no absolute relation in time between two events. Memory connects these moments. Without memory, there would be no before or after, no succession, consequently, no time. There is no such thing as a philosopher's time. There is only a psychological time different from that of the physicist. It is impossible to distinguish between the duration that separates two instants and a memory that connects them, because duration is essentially a continuation of what no longer exists into what does exist. This is real time, perceived and lived.